They say a hard man is good to find, but if you can't stay hard, you're not alone. And there are 5 clear reasons why. Let's be honest. Erectile issues, especially not being able to stay hard, are more common than most men want to admit. But instead of shame or embarrassment, let's talk about solutions. Because there are real proven reasons why this happens. We'll discuss the 5 most common causes in a moment, and more importantly, real practical ways to fix it. But first, I'd like to thank you for joining us today, and thank you for your support. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and help us to make more videos about real men and real men's health. Once again, thank you for your company. Now back to today's topic. Why does this matter? Well, erections aren't just about sex. They're a signal of your overall health and well-being. If you struggle to get hard or stay hard, your body might be trying to tell you something, and ignoring it only leads to more frustration, relationship stress, and reduced confidence. But today, we're breaking that silence for good. Before we begin, please remember, this video is meant to educate and empower, not diagnose or prescribe. Always speak with your doctor or a licensed medical professional before taking any action based on the content you see here. Talk to your doctor before you do anything. Please. 5 big reasons you can't stay hard. Let's break down the 5 most common physical and mental causes of this problem, along with clear, practical steps to fix each one. 1. Poor blood flow, the root of most erectile issues. Erections are a blood flow event. They depend on strong circulation. When you're aroused, your brain signals the release of nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels in the penis. This allows blood to rush in and stay there, creating and maintaining an erection. But if those vessels are narrowed, blocked, or stiff, blood can't flow in fast or forcefully enough. The erection is weak, or it fades quickly, and the older you get, the more this becomes an issue. What causes this reduced blood flow? Atherosclerosis, clogged arteries, often linked to high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and poor diet. Smoking. It damages blood vessels and restricts blood flow dramatically. Inactivity. Sitting all day weakens circulation and reduces nitric oxide production. Diabetes. Causes both nerve damage and blood vessel damage, a double blow. Bottom line, if your cardiovascular health is struggling, your erections will show it first. It's an early warning sign. Don't ignore it. Fix poor blood flow. Improve circulation. What's going wrong? When your arteries are clogged or narrowed due to high cholesterol, smoking, or sedentary living, your penis simply doesn't get enough blood to maintain a strong erection. Think of an erection as a hydraulic system. No pressure, no performance. So, what can you do? Move more. Exercise. Daily. Just 20 to 30 minutes of brisk walking, cycling, or bodyweight exercise improves endothelial function, the inner lining of blood vessels, which boosts nitric oxide, essential for erections. Eat for your arteries, focus on whole foods, especially leafy greens, spinach, arugula, beets, fatty fish, omega-3s, nuts, berries, and olive oil. Cut back on sugar, trans fats, and processed meats. Ditch the cigarettes. Smoking restricts blood vessels and destroys nitric oxide production. Check your cholesterol and blood pressure. These silent killers reduce blood flow long before symptoms appear. 2. Low testosterone, the hidden saboteur. Testosterone is the engine of male sexual function. It affects libido, erection strength, confidence, energy, and even sleep. When testosterone levels drop, everything follows. These are a few signs your T levels might be low. Morning wood is rare or gone. Fatigue, irritability, or brain fog. Reduced muscle mass, more belly fat. You can get hard, but staying hard is unpredictable or inconsistent. Why does testosterone drop? Natural aging, especially after 30 to 35. Chronic stress. High cortisol suppresses testosterone. Sleep deprivation. Alcohol and processed foods. Environmental estrogens. Plastics, toxins, chemicals, and grooming products. Bottom line, if your testosterone is low, your desire, performance, and confidence all take a hit. Testing your levels gives you clarity, and it's treatable with natural or clinical solutions. Fix low testosterone. Raise testosterone naturally. What's going wrong? Testosterone is the engine of male sexual function. Low levels lead to lower libido, weaker erections, and reduced sensitivity. Modern life, chronic stress, poor sleep, environmental toxins is a T killer. So, what can you do? Lift heavy, compound movements. Deadlifts, squats, and bench presses stimulate testosterone production. Prioritize sleep. Just 1 week of poor sleep can slash testosterone by up to 15%. Aim for 7 to 9 hours in a dark, cool room. Manage stress. Chronic cortisol kills testosterone. Incorporate daily stress management, breath work, walking outdoors, meditation, or cold showers. Eat fat, the good kind. Testosterone needs cholesterol. Get healthy fats from eggs, avocados, grass-fed meat, and nuts. Test and track. Get blood work done. If your levels are consistently low, you may need to explore treatment options with a doctor, including bioidentical hormone therapy or natural boosters like ashwagandha or tonkadali. 3. Porn-induced erectile dysfunction, ED, when your brain stops responding to reality. This is increasingly common in men under 40, and no one wants to talk about it. But excessive pornography use rewires your brain. Here's what's happening. Porn gives you instant, unlimited novelty, far more than real sex ever could. Every new video equals a dopamine spike. Your brain adapts by downregulating sensitivity. What once excited you now feels dull. When you try to have sex in real life, it's slower, less intense, and doesn't match the fantasy. So you go soft. You may notice you can get hard with porn, but not with a partner. Erections start fine, but fade during real intimacy. Escalating interest in extreme porn that feels disconnected from reality. Bottom line, your brain's reward system is powerful, but also trainable. If porn broke it, you can rebuild it. Fix porn-induced ED. Reset your brain's reward system. What's going wrong? Heavy porn use rewires your brain's dopamine response. You start craving extreme stimulation while becoming desensitized to real partners. Over time, your brain links arousal to screens, not touch, intimacy, or connection. So, what can you do? Take a porn detox. Commit to 30 to 60 days without porn or masturbation. Let your brain reset. Rebuild arousal through connection. Spend time in real intimacy, not just sex, including touch, conversation, eye contact, and playfulness. Delay. Gratification. The dopamine reset helps real pleasure feel exciting again. Practice edging mindfully. When resuming sexual activity, slow down. Learn to feel again. This rewires pleasure to real experiences. Remember, you're not broken. Your brain's just been hijacked, and it can heal. Before we continue, here's something worth knowing. If you've been feeling frustrated or even embarrassed about changes in bedroom performance, sensitivity, stamina, or desire, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. There's a 100% natural solution that's already helped thousands of men feel confident and energized again. No pills, no injections, no procedures, no surgery, no risky shortcuts, just a simple, easy home remedy you can make at home, designed to support what researchers are now calling the manhood molecule, a key factor for arousal, blood flow, and lasting power. Find out more. There's a link in the description. 4. Stress, anxiety, and overthinking, the psychological kill switch. Even if your body is in good shape, if your mind isn't, erections can vanish instantly. What's happening? You worry about performance, and cortisol floods your system. Cortisol is the stress hormone. It literally blocks the erection process. Your body enters fight or flight, and blood is redirected away from the penis. Anxiety becomes a feedback loop. Fear of going soft makes you go soft. This is especially common in men with past failures or trauma, first-time experiences, or new partners. Those who think too much instead of staying in the present. Bottom line, the brain controls the body. Calm the mind, and your body follows. A relaxed man is a hard man. Fix stress, anxiety, and overthinking. Rewire arousal through calm. What's going wrong? Your body doesn't distinguish between, I'm about to be eaten by a tiger, and what if I can't get it up? In both cases, your body floods with cortisol, the stress hormone, which suppresses testosterone and shifts blood flow away from your genitals to your core. What can you do Pre-sex relaxation rituals. Use breathing techniques, light stretching, or sensual massage to enter parasympathetic, calm mode. Mindfulness and body awareness. Ground yourself in physical sensations instead of intrusive thoughts. Focus on breath, touch, and rhythm, not performance. Open communication with your partner. Shame and secrecy make it worse. Being honest reduces pressure and creates safety. Honesty real is the key. Remember, erections are not just physical. They're neurological and emotional, and your nervous system needs to feel safe to perform. 5. Metabolic and lifestyle issues. The silent killers. Your lifestyle either builds your sex life or buries it. The biggest offenders are obesity. Too much body fat increases estrogen and suppresses testosterone. Alcohol reduces blood flow and interferes with hormone production. Diabetes damages nerves and blood vessels, often irreversible if left unchecked. Sleep deprivation. Just 1 week of poor sleep can slash testosterone by up to 15%. Chronic sleep loss ruins hormone balance. And processed food kills libido, increases inflammation, and ruins cardiovascular health. Bottom line, erections are a reflection of your metabolic health. Get your life in order, and your sex life follows. Fix metabolic and lifestyle issues. Rebuild from the inside out. What's going wrong? Metabolic syndrome, high blood sugar, obesity, insulin resistance, attacks your hormones and your circulation. Add alcohol, poor sleep, and chronic inflammation, and your body simply can't sustain an erection, no matter how strong your desire. What can you do? Fix your diet. Cut ultra-processed food, sugar, and seed oils. Eat nutrient-dense whole foods that support testosterone and blood vessels. Intermittent or prolonged fasting, strategic fasting, for example 16 to 8 or 36-hour fasts, promotes autophagy, reduces insulin resistance, and boosts hormone sensitivity. We have a full detailed breakdown video on the 36-hour water fast that goes into the amazing benefits of this practice, including how it triggers autophagy, boosts fat loss, and supports cellular repair. You can watch it right after this one. Links at the end and also in the description below. Move more often. Even short walks after meals dramatically improve blood sugar and circulation. Cut alcohol. Alcohol reduces testosterone, lowers sensitivity, and disrupts REM sleep, all of which kill libido and erection quality. There are supplements that help. Always consult your doctor, especially if you take medications. L-citrulline boosts nitric oxide. Ashwagandha reduces cortisol, increases testosterone. Zinc plus magnesium supports testosterone and recovery. Vitamin D3, foundational for hormone health. Make your daily routine the ultimate male enhancement protocol. Talk to your doctor. Please talk to a qualified medical professional before you take any action that affects your health and well-being. Don't be afraid to talk to a urologist, endocrinologist, or men's health doctor. Get checked and tested to rule out any other underlying serious conditions. There are medical treatments and interventions available, but get checked out first. Early medical insight equals faster recovery. Final message, you're not broken, you're just out of sync. The modern world attacks male sexual health from every angle. Junk food, extreme porn, stress, toxins, isolation. But you can take your power back. When you fix your blood flow, rebalance your hormones, rewire your brain, calm your mind, and master your lifestyle, your erections come back stronger than ever. Because it's not just about staying hard, it's about living like a man who's fully alive. Erection issues aren't just a down there problem. They're a red flag from your body and mind saying something needs attention. The solution isn't in a pill. It's in your blood flow, hormones, brain wiring, stress levels, and daily habits. The good news? Most cases of erectile dysfunction, especially staying hard, are reversible. With the right changes, you can take your power back, and you'll not only fix your erections, you'll become stronger, leaner, more confident, and more masculine. If you found this informative, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Remember to check out the simple home remedy that thousands of men worldwide are using to boost performance and confidence in the bedroom. No pills, no surgery, no procedures. Find out more. Link is in the description, and let us know in the comments what action you've taken to tackle any men's issues you've had to deal with. Thank you for watching Prime Male Health, Real Talk, Real Science, Real Men's Health. Until next time, take care.